Okay, so let's continue the tutorial. This is another tutorial from the YouTube channel. Now we are drawing this today, a very simple basic 2D drawing for beginners who are trying to learn the AutoCAD. Now let's get the understanding or analyze the work, and then we start the work. So with it down here, you can see a circle with diameter 43, another circle with radius 40, and then when you come up here too, you see a circle diameter 17, radius 16, the same thing here. And then with this top here, you can see a radius of 29, and when you check here, you can see radius of 10 for this smaller one, and then radius of 22. The distance from the top to this down here is 98, and from here to this place is 45. Okay, so quick one, let's try and start. Let's start from the top here. So we'll draw a line of 135, and then we get our diameter 17. So let's start. So you open your AutoCAD. Let's draw a line 135. Okay, 135 mm. It's small, you can zoom out. Now we have two circles with the diameter 17. So you can click on the diameter, enter 17. Okay, and there's another radius of 16, so another circle with radius 16. Okay, so I'll mirror this one. Click on the mirror, click on the center, and then you click erase source. You say no. Now there is a circle here, this circle with radius 10. Let's draw that one. So circle over here with a radius of 10. Good. Now there's another circle at the top here with radius 29. So that is the arc over here. It's a circle, but because it's trimmed, so with radius 29. So let's draw that one. Circle with radius 29 mm. Good. Now let's come down and draw this circle over here. Now the distance from the top coming to the down is 45, and the radius is 22. So you click on circle. From the center, you won't click, you drag down, you enter 45 for the distance, you press enter, and then the radius is actually 22, so you enter 22 for the radius of the circle, and then you have it. Good. Now from this place to this place is 98. That's the distance, 98, with a diameter of 43. Let's do that. So you click on a circle, come to the center, you don't click, you drag down, you enter the dimension or the distance 43, you press enter. Oh no, it's not 43, I think it's 98. So let's do it again. You come down 98, you press enter. Now the diameter is 43, so we click on diameter, you enter 43, enter. Good. There's another circle with radius 40, so let's do that. We click here, we enter radius 40, and now we have it. Now we are having too many unwanted line, but let's still move on, or better still, we can let's join this line. Now you can see there is a line here and a line here. Okay, it's a straight line tangent to the two circles. So for you to get that, go for a line command. Now when you bring your cursor here, you don't have to click on this. Is a quadrant, so you don't click on it. If you click on it, you won't get a tangent. So for you to get a tangent line, when you bring your mouse, you press on your shift. When you press on your shift key, you keep holding it, and then you right click. When you right click, you leave it, you see tangent, you click on it. Now there is a tangent symbol, okay, on the circle. So you click on it and you drag your mouse here. This same thing, you press on the shift, you right click, you select tangent, and then you click over here, so it will be tangent to this circle. Now you can mirror this, so let's mirror so that we don't draw again. Good. Erase source, you say no. So now we are done with the top. Now let's do this arc 77. So for you to do that, see, it's tangent to this and that, so you go to your circle command, you select tan radius, you click here, you click here, you enter a radius of 77, you press enter. Let's trim this one, so you can use the short command TR or this one. Let's trim. Good. Now let's mirror this one as well, so mirror from this place. Okay, erase source, you say no. Now we are almost done. Let's delete this line, we don't need it any longer, and let's trim this circle. Okay, so select your trim, click, you can delete this one as well. Okay, now there's another line tangent to this and this. You can see a line tangent to the bigger and the smaller circle. So to do that, the same procedure, click on your line, press and hold your shift right click, select tangent, click on this circle, press hold shift right click, select tangent, you click over here. Let's mirror, you click this one, the line, and then you mirror from this place. Good. Erase source, you say no. Now let's trim the unwanted lines. I'll use the shortcut TR and then I trim it. I don't need this as well. Okay, so now we have to trim this part as well, so you can use the trim. Then finally our work is fully done. Now if you want to see how, or if you want to make it more clear, you can click on the line width and then your work will fully be seen. Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial. Kindly subscribe, share it as well, and then if you have any question, you leave it in the comment section below and I'll attend to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.